Hello everyone! Welcome to Cooking with Goggings. This is Angela Rose and I will teach you how to cook beef and onion stir-fry. Beef and onion stir-fry is a delicious and easy to make dish. The combination of beef and onions along with various sauces and seasonings results in a flavorful dish that can satisfy your taste buds. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Use 400 grams of beef. Thinly slice the beef into strips against the grain. This helps ensure that the beef remains tender. It's easier to do this when the meat is partially frozen. In a bowl, combine the sliced beef and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Mix it well. This will help tenderize the beef and keep its moisture. Then, add 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, and 1/2 teaspoon ground pepper. Then, add 2 tablespoons lime juice. And finally, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Mix well. Let it marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let's prepare the other ingredients. Prepare 4 cloves garlic and mince. This will be used during the cooking process. Now, the white onion. Slice the onion and separate each layer so it will be easier and faster to stir fry later. Time to cook! Heat 2 tablespoons vegetable oil in a pan over high heat. Add the sliced onions to the hot pan. Season it with 1/2 teaspoon sugar and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until they start to soften and turn translucent. Remove the onions from the pan and set them aside. In the same pan, add the marinated beef to the pan and spread it out in a single layer. Let it sear for about 1 to 2 minutes before stirring. Stir-fry recipes are typically quick and easy to prepare, making them a convenient choice for busy individuals or families. After searing one side, continue to stir-fry the beef for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, or until the beef is no longer pink. Add the minced garlic and 3 tablespoons butter. Continue stirring for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. You can cook it for longer if you prefer it well done. You can season it with salt and pepper, adjusting the seasonings to your taste. Now, add 1 tablespoon cornstarch diluted in 3 tablespoons water. Turn the heat to a low and continue stirring for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add the cooked onions back to the pan and stir to combine. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes to heat everything through. Now we're done! Transfer beef and onion stir-fry to a serving platter. You can garnish with sesame seeds and sliced spring onions if desired. Feel free to customize this recipe by adding your favorite vegetables, such as bell peppers, broccolis, or snap peas. You can also adjust the level of spiciness by adding more or fewer red pepper flakes. Enjoy your homemade beef and onion stir-fry! If you like the recipe, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel, and follow our FB page for more cooking tutorials. Cooking with Goggings! This has been Angela Rose. Thank you for watching.